Best AI app for generating 30 minutes long video. You heard me. There is an AI app that you can use to create video as long as 30 minutes.
What?
With lip
What are you
syncing,
doing
with
here?
image
Are you
generation, and
okay?
so many other good things in the app. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this app and create AI videos that are 30 minutes long, 10 to 20 minutes long, 5 minutes long, 1 minute long. It depends on how long you want the video to be. And in this app, there are features that are free, while there are features that are not free. But in this video, I'm going to be showing how to use all of them, okay? In this video, I'm going to be showing how to use all these things to create AI videos, okay? Hi my love, my name is Chigozie. On this channel, I teach about animation. If you like animation, follow me for more, okay? Let's go.
As the sun sets, long shadows stretch across the whispering hills, where the wind carries ancient secrets. Young Quito gathers firewood near his village, his wide eyes reflecting the golden light. A deep, rhythmic boom, boom, boom echoes from the hills, startling Quito. Fear flickers across Quito's face as the mysterious sound reverberates through the tall grass. Drawn by irresistible curiosity, Quito ventures into the swaying grass toward the sound. Beneath a serene moon, Quito unearths an ancient drum, its surface etched with lions, rivers, and stars. His fingers trace the cold carvings, and the earth trembles, an awakening beneath his touch. A wounded lion emerges, its majestic form now marred by weakness and pain. Quito's heart races, a mixture of fear and determination rising within him at the sight. Courage is helping even when you are afraid, a voice whispers, guiding his resolve. The drum echoes. The lion bows to Quito, then vanishes into the whispering hills as dawn breaks. The wind whispers happily as the drum turns to dust in Quito's hands. Quito smiles, returning to a village reborn. Crops thrive and the river flows abundantly. Narration. Quito guards the secret of the whispering hills, prosperity blooming in its wake.
To start with, we're going to head over to our Chrome browser. If you're using ChatGPT for the first time, you're going to sign up, okay? I am currently in my ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a short story of adventure about a little girl of 9 years old. You can actually use any age. You can use 9, you can use 4, you can use any age of your choice. I'm also going to tell ChatGPT the location of the little girl or the race about an African little girl. You can tell whether it's African. You can even mention the country so that ChatGPT will give you a specific story that you will like. So I'll send it to Chat. Chat has given us the story. I'm going to copy this story to the next two we're going to use. I will click on it and drag it, highlight, then click on copy. The next tool we're going to be using is called Magic Light. And in Magic Light, when you want to use it, you have to sign up just like you did on ChatGPT. This is the Magic Light. It has different features that are very amazing. It has story to video. That is, if you want to turn a story into a video, just paste your story and they will give you the video. It also has kids story. That is, if you want to create stories for kids. It also has religious story. If you want to create stories about religion, you use this feature. It also has music video. If you want to create a music video, you use this one. It also has one-click video AI character. That is, if you want to create AI character, AI image or character, you use this feature. There are also amazing features like cartoon, music, religion, explainer, and vlog. These are other people's work. The work that people created, these are the works they are seeing here. Then, for us to create our story, I'm going to click on story to video. When you click on story to video, it's going to bring you here. I have been here before. So this is the script I generated. That's the script in ChatGPT. Just going to remove the caption. I copied everything with the caption. I'm going to remove the caption. Okay. There is smart script, there is basic script. I am using smart script. So here you paste the script you want to use for your story. That's the one that will go from chat. Then you choose your aspect ratio. If the video is for YouTube, you use landscape. If it is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, you use portraits. Then the duration is the select duration. I'm going to use auto. Here under video language, you choose the language you want to use. I'm using English, of course, because I am speaking English and I'm teaching in English. I'll select English. Story model, ChatGPT 4. It depends on where you got your story from. If it's from ChatGPT 5, you use it. If it's from Gemini, you click on. It depends on where you got your story, the version of the AI that gave you the story. Then style of the story, Magic Light 2.0. Then there are different cartoon characters and styles in Magic Light. If you want your character, that's your cartoon, to come as 3D cartoon, you use 3D. If it's realistic, if it's Disney, Pixar, animals, handcrafted, comic, like how you want your video to look like, that is the character your video to look like. This is where you select how you want them to look like. Okay, I'm going to select anime because I'm going to select anime. Actually, I have done some things with other features. Let me try new features today. I'll click on next. It will say AI analysis in progress. You have to wait for the analysis to finish. It says hold on a moment. You have to hold on. I want to show you one thing. When I create something with Magic Light, it has different steps. You can see up here, you see content, cast, storyboard, edit. So it's going to undergo through all these phases here, all these stages. Okay. If you look here, it says it says AI will continue generating after exit. That is, if you start like this, you can even leave the screen and go and do other things here you want to do. It will still be generating. After a while, you'll come back and check what you are creating, if it's done creating it. Okay. If you have watched this video to this level, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell me the next AI tool you want me to be teaching you about. Our story is ready. You can see it has been divided into different scenes. Look at it here. This is so amazing and beautiful. Oh my goodness. It has 14 different shots. That is, the AI has shared the story into different scenes and short videos. You understand as we move on. It has 14 shots and the video is going to be 1.1 minute 10 seconds and it's going to cost only 70 credits. This is interesting. So I'm going to click on the next. This part, we're going to choose the character of the story. Okay, you can choose to use the one they have given you already. As for me, I'm going to choose the one they have given me already. You can choose to use the one they have given you already. You can choose to edit the character. I can go ahead and choose the one they have given me already, but let us try something. Let us try some edit. Click on this edit. We are going to be selecting the voice the character is going to carry, the age of the character. Under voiceover, you can choose to select the voice you want to use. So I'm going to click on this matter here. Let's play the voice on here.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Life was like a box of chocolate.
Life was like a box of
Life was like...
Okay, you can choose any of the voices that you want. You can choose to create your own image. If you want to create your own image, simply click on create and you input your prompt and the AI will give you your own image. But I don't want to get my own image, so I'm going to use the one they have already given me automatically. After adding the name, after adding the gender, the voice and everything, okay, you can choose to use this image that AI has given us automatically, and you can also choose to create your own. If you want to create your own, click on create, add your prompt, and go ahead and create your own image. You can also choose to create this. I want to show you something again. You can also click on all. There are other characters here that you can use if you want, but I'm going to use my creation. So I'm going to select this one here. I'll select OK. All right. Then if your story has two characters, you can also use the same method and edit all the characters. But in this my story, I have Kito and a lion. All right. I don't want to edit anything about the lion. I like the lion the way it is. So I'm just going to click on next. Storyboard generating. This is the third stage. You can exit your screen to do other things if you want. If you can wait. Right now is in progress. It has divided the story into 14 different shots. You can see it here. If you can recall, when our content was generated, it automatically turned into 14 different shots. So these are the shots here. So we're going to wait for it to generate. All right. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Our scenes are ready. Okay. And these are the images for each scene. These are the images for each scene. And when you click on each scene, to bring out the story of the scene. And these are the stories here. Okay. If you are using the pro version of this magic light, this is when you can animate each scene, make the character talk and all that. You just simply click on this animate here. Before you do that, you will select the scene. See, you click on the scene like this. Make sure this yellow line is around the scene. This shows that you have selected this particular scene. You click on animate. You select the version you want to use to animate that particular scene. Okay, there are different versions here. Select the one you want to use. But if you're not using pro version, you don't need to worry. Just calm down. You will still be able to create your animation. So I'm going to click on cancel. Then I'm going to click on next. I'll just click on next again. When you click on next, you will see subtitle or no subtitle. I need a subtitle. You can choose not to have a subtitle. So I'm going to leave it as subtitle. Okay. You can also check the templates of how you want your subtitle to appear, the color you want and all those things. You can just simply select any one of your choice. I think I'm going to go for... I don't actually know the one to go for actually. I don't know the one. Let me go for this pink. I love pink. Okay. Then if you also want to add music to your video, you can simply click on music here, select the one you want. But I don't want music. I'm going to be using this video for YouTube. I'm going to place it on my YouTube video. So I would not like to add music that will violate YouTube copyright policy. I don't know how safe these musics here are. So I'm going to just go and click on generate. Alright, it's actually asking land aspect ratio. I'm going to still leave it at 16.9, which is YouTube standard of aspect ratio. Just click on OK. Right now, our video is generating. That is the last part of our creation. Let us stay tuned and watch out what we're going to generate, okay? Our story is ready. This is so beautiful. Let us see. I'll click on it.
Sun sets. Long shadows stretch across the whispering hills, where the wind carries ancient secrets. Young Kito gathers firewood near his village. His wife...
This is so beautiful. When you are done creating your video, there are two ways you can download your video. The first one is with a video with no watermark. This is for those who are using the pro version. You use the first one. If you are using the free version, you use the second option, which is download content video. Also, it's going to give you YouTube thumbnail. It's still generating here. Under here, it's going to give you thumbnail. That is, if you need a thumbnail, you can simply download the thumbnail and keep it for your video. But if you don't need it, you just download your video. So I'm going to download my video.